Hello, beginning comp students. Miss Ray here. Happy Monday. I just wanted to start the week this week with your weekly update. What we're doing this week, where we are heading. So this week is all about body paragraphs, really, organizing our essay and then starting to draft those body paragraphs. So today on Google Classroom, you will see a few things assigned to you. The first is the Edpuzzle for Series 8 of John Green's Crash Course. So please be sure to view and complete that Edpuzzle. There's also a sample outline and an outline video that you'll see. So tomorrow in class, we tackle our outlines. So I wanted to be sure to give you a model of what that looks like using a topic that I was going to tackle, which is should cell phones be used as educational tools? So you'll see my driving question, my sources, my thesis, and then my outline itself as well. There is also linked there a video that walks you through how I put together the outline and answers some common questions you might have about outlines. So please be sure to watch that video and then come to class tomorrow with any questions you have after looking at the model, after viewing the video, so that I can clarify anything before we all get to work on that outline tomorrow. So that's what tomorrow's class time is entirely devoted to, is to work on that outline, which will be assessed formatively on organization. So can you decide how you're going to write subclaims that support your thesis and organize those in a logical manner? So you'll need to finish that on demand if you don't finish it in class, so that we're ready to start writing our body paragraphs together on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we'll have a mini lesson on integrating evidence. We'll talk about that, and then we'll tackle our first body paragraph, which you'll submit on Google Classroom for feedback and scoring on the evidence integration band of the rubric. On Thursday, we're going to talk about how to write rich analysis. You'll then revise your first body paragraph and draft your second body paragraph. You'll submit that on Google Classroom. You'll be scored on your second body paragraph formatively on the analysis band of the rubric. So you're getting feedback on all these rubric bands before you tackle the final draft as we continue to draft after Thanksgiving. On Friday, we do have our roots quiz. Remember, this one does have 100 roots. So you have the 25 roots from list 5. You have 5 mystery questions from list 5, and then 70 roots from lists 1 through 4. Even though there are more questions, it is still one half-weighted formative score. So I know it's more questions, but it's not worth more points in the grade book. We just continue to build on these roots as we go through our high school career here at Vista. We also have our 8th book blog that we will write on Friday. And then any remaining class time you have on Friday will be yours to just finish tweaking, adjusting. You might want to revise some of your body paragraphs. For some of you, you may decide that you'd like a third body paragraph. You have the option to write a third body paragraph as well. It's not required. Some of you might be fine with just 2 body paragraphs, an intro and a conclusion. Some of you will want to draft 3. It will be up to you, and it's going to depend on how much it's going to take to prove your claim. That's really the key there. So on demand, if you haven't posted those 2 body paragraphs for feedback, I'm going to ask that you please be sure to do so that when we come back from Thanksgiving, we can focus on the introduction, the conclusion, and then just revising this essay to turn it into our final draft. Flex offerings this week, I have content support tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday, I have intervention for my ERWC students. Friday, I have intervention for you. So be sure to check and see if you are red checked for Friday. But if you'd like to come in to get any help, assistance, further feedback, definitely please feel free to drop in on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right, friends, I hope you have a great Monday, and I will see you tomorrow.